Did you know that Concord 9th has released 6 new colors for 2025? Stick around to see what they look like. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today we're going to be going over the new colors from Concord 9th, and this is for 2025, and they have cardstock, and they have ink cubes and ink pads, and they have the enamel dots that match with all the colors. So let's get started. There are 6 new colors, as I had mentioned. I just got the smaller variety pack for the paper. This has 2 of each color, and the new colors are called Brickyard, Pimento, Starfruit, Pistachio, Lakefront, and Plumberry. And so we can go through those. As far as, I got the ink cubes, but they do have the full-size ink pads, and they do come with the little stickers to put on. For the ink cubes, I like to put one on the bottom half because there's no label on the bottom. So if this lid gets separated from this, I know exactly which one it goes with. Alright, let me run through the colors really quick. We can check it out. The first one is called Brickyard, and this is a gorgeous, it's like a red, but almost kind of corally pinky too. It's got some really interesting undertones. And I'll go through these, but then I will compare them to some of the other colors. But we'll just go through these quick first. Let's see, where did my little label go? Oh, there we go. This is Pimento. So this is kind of an orange corally color. It's kind of hard to explain. This one, Starfruit, this is so bright. It's kind of a yellow greeny, I'm not even certain how to describe it, but it's very bright. It's almost to the point of borderline fluorescent. The next one is Pistachio. This is a nice light, kind of sagey green with a little bit more yellow in it maybe. And then this one I love, Lakefront. This is a blue-green. And then of course my favorite, the Plumberry. This is so gorgeous, this color. And these all fit very nicely into the Concord 9th collection. They were definitely colors that were missing in action. So I did pick up the bundle that has the dots. So we have the Brickyard, the Pimento, Starfruit. See how bright these are? Pistachio, Lakefront, and the Plumberry. So you'll have matching enamel dots to go with your projects. I swatched out the ink cubes. So this is the ink colors. So we have the Brickyard, Pimento, Starfruit, Pistachio, Lakefront, and Plumberry. Look at how bright that Starfruit is. That's amazing for a dye ink to be able to get that color like that. That Brickyard is a great red there too. And this Lakefront is so good. Usually you see colors like this, but they're a little bit lighter. And I love how deep this blue-green is. Alright, so what we can do is we can compare to some of the other colors. Let's see how to figure this here. Alright, I'm going to grab the Brickyard and the Pimento, since they're close but not close, but it'll help us when we're bringing in the other colors to kind of show it together. Let me just grab what I have. Alright, so at first I wanted to compare this to the cranberry. So these would go very well together in a project. And then that makes this actually look kind of more pink. It's really interesting. And then just to compare it against the poppy. So this is so bright. So it's definitely not with that, but the poppy and the pimento might go well together. And then we have the sorbet, and that looks really interesting with that, I think. And then the marmalade. So this is why the pimento is a good shade for them to put into their color palette, because they don't, a lot of the oranges are very orange, like the marmalade, but the pimento has a little bit of that kind of pinkish tone in here. And then here is the cayenne. So it's kind of more of a brown red. So, and that's the comparison for that. Alright, move these off. Alright, the next one, look at this. This is so bright and gorgeous. So this is the yellow, the buttercup. And you can see how bright that is. This kind of almost looks a little green. And then we have it against the lemongrass. So these two would go really, really well, I think. Yeah, this is definitely a bright, bright, bright yellow. Alright, I'll leave this lemongrass here because I'm going to bring in the pistachio. So you can see how this is more yellow green. This is more of that like sagey green. And the avocado isn't too bad. You could probably put these together. But this is definitely was missing in the palette. And then we also have Sprout. So this would look very nice together. Has that same tone. And then next is the Lakefront. And we have quite a few colors that will go well, or that to compare to. So this is like blue, gray, green. Here's the tide pool. And then we have Oceanside. This is very like that blue-green. But the peacock looks really nice with that, I think. But this is just a totally different color with the blue-gray look. It's so gorgeous. And then the last one we have is the Plumberry. And there really wasn't a color that went with this. So this is also a really good filler for that spot. So the Fig, this is much more purpley. The Plumberry has a little bit of pink in there, I think. And then the Eggplant. So you know, again, it's definitely filling a need on the spectrum, because most of the other purples are purpley or like bright like this. So alright, let me just bring these back in so we can take our little peek at them all together. Okay. It's hard to get everything all together on here. And you can see how well the colors match too. I mean, this is an exact. They did a great job with that. All right. I will list everything I showed today in the description box. I do have affiliate links. These are excellent colors to pick up to add to your collection. This would be great for, you know, doing foliage. Ugh, gorgeous flowers. I just love this one too. So, all right, come join me over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, any crafty sales I come across, so it's a great resource to you. Come join me over on my new blog. I'm getting that all set up and started. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love it if you could hit that button. And I would love to have you join our crafty community. So thanks very much, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.